So the market is going down as we predicted. So are you frustrated right now because you look in the portfolio and you see, oh, I get 50%, then you open the next day or the next week, you get 20% down. You be like, what's going on? If you just buy and hold, like everybody said, you're gonna lose all the profit that you make in 1 month, 2 months. Depends on your investment. If you invest in long hold, this is depend on your portfolio and the price that you choose. So this is depends on a lot of factors. Okay, so if someone told you just buy and hold, this is kind of gambling in some sort. Okay, we want to have some certainty when we trade. This is how the professional trader do. So we have 5 stocks right now. We're gonna discuss them, and we have other stocks as a gift for you if you want the precise price target and where you get in, where you get out. So let's get right to it. First off, let's start with ChargePoint. As we predicted, we got rejected around the 1921, and we said take profit around the 19. That's why we said we need to closing candle above here to confirm our explosion for ChargePoint. We didn't. Right now the price going toward the 18. If we don't hold the 18, just wait, okay, and let the price come to you around the 16. The next one, we have AMD. Precisely as we said in our Patreon, we said for our hunter, buy around the $1 or 145 and sell around the 100. Look with me, 155. And guess what? Perfect trade we did here for AMD, the safest trade actually, because the price went as we expected and we got 6%. It's good. Okay, it's a good day and we take a profit. We don't have to hold and lose this percentage down. Okay, right now I want to confirm if the price go above the 155, I will get in. However, right now I just keep watching. If we hold this level, will be perfect in order to load and go up again to all time high. Otherwise we might see the price go until the $1.23. I'm just watching, want to confirmation. Okay, the next stop we have Lucid, and Lucid, as we expected to happen, the price doesn't overcome this descending line. That's why what's going on right now, the price will go around this area, will buy here around the 29 and 33. Okay, next stop we have HUT. Let's get right to it. As I said, and we said the 20 or the $9.28, look with me, the $9.28 is the resistance. We took a profit and we talked about in pre-market. If you're already in on our Patreon, we always do pre-market alert, so you hunt before the market open. You see this gap, so you be extra ready to just sell and buy around the support. For this one, I will be extra careful if we don't hold this level of support, which is the $7.34, and the next support I will buy for our stock HUT is the $5.74, and for Moderna as well is dipping as well, and kind of broke this ascending line to form. Right now I'm just waiting for Moderna to go to the 186. I will buy here. Amazing. Look what's going on. As we said, and we did the technical here on Discord, what we said first, we hunted for this perfect dip around this, and we said we were gonna bounce around this area for the 900 down. Look, it was around the 22nd of December, and we expected the price to get rejected around this area, even for HUT here, and we expected for the price taking profit first. We said we will have a resistance around the $9.28 precisely, and this was as well around the 23rd of December. Okay, and that's what happened for HUT resistance around the $9.28, and Tesla around this area, the 1,900. That's why we got rejected right now. So be careful. Right now, I will be extremely careful for Tesla. I want to close candle, as I said, above this 1,100 in order to see the price go gravitate above all-time high. Other than that, we're gonna see the price gravitate down again and find support maybe around the 985 and the 940 to bounce from this ascending line. Hopefully that was informative. And again, if you want to use the same chart as mine, you can use the link in comment section below. 50% discount for the trading view if you use my link. As well, if you want to trade the crypto, as well as said, Bitget is your friend, because when the market's crashing or the market going up or high volatility, Bitget is really flexible and good kind of engine to overcome this kind of high volatility. And that's why I use it. You can use the link in comment section below. You have $650 bonus with my link. So without further ado, let's get ready to hunt. As I said, we make money when the market go down and when the market go up. Okay, no stress. Have our strategy set before we get in. That's how professional trader do, how the insider do, and retail trader never do. Okay, so without further ado, see you in the next update.